Hey, what up, gang? Boo Boo617. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing something that's been bothering me for a very long time. Pretty much since I got the BMW X5. And that is trying to fix the rattle that's coming from the tailgate, from the back. It's something that's very annoying. If you guys haven't seen the video that I posted not so long ago of 5 things that I hate about my BMW X5 M Sport, that is one of them. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check that out. So this rattling noise apparently happens very often to multiple BMWs, like the X, for example, the X1s, X3s, X5s, X6s, X7s. It's like a common issue, but there is not a common solution, which is frustrating. I've tried many things already to try to fix the problem. I've been online searching up and down the web forums to see, and I've tried a bunch of stuff that people say, hey, this works. So apparently there's more than just one rattle and more causes. So the one that I haven't figured it out yet. Let me show you guys what I mean, what the noise I'm talking about. So the crazy thing about that noise as well is that it's progressed. It's gotten louder and louder as time has gone by. So I need to get to the bottom of it, and that's what we're gonna try to do today. So there's another method that I just found out about, another cause that might be it. It might be it. I don't really know, but we're gonna try. Let me just park over here, really quick, side of the road. We're gonna try the method, and then we're gonna continue on driving to see if it fixes it or not. So the things I've tried so far are putting tape on here, because I guess some people, with the movement of the car and the flexing, this moves, and then this part was contacting this, and it was making noise. I tried that, didn't work. Then I took these out, so there's one here and one on that side. It's a screwdriver. You take it out and then it pops out a little bit more, so it puts more tension on the gate itself. I tried that, it didn't work. This in here, this is a little tab. You take this tab out, and then there's a hex key that you put in there, and then this comes in and out, this plastic right here. And I did that to put more tension again, more tension on the gate, to see if that would be it, and that was not it. So today there's another method. So someone that I read about, and I did a little bit more research, said that the actual noise is this, the bottom half of the tailgate. So to fix that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these tabs out, and that's gonna expose these bolts here, and basically all it is adjusting it so that it's more we're gonna push it back to see if it tightens up the tailgate a little bit more. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get a marker, get a Sharpie, and we're just gonna mark exactly where it's located now, just in case we gotta go back, in case that's not the issue, and then we just gotta go back because something's not aligned. We know exactly where to align it. As you can see, I already marked it with the marker. Just grab the marker and just go along on the body like that. Simple as that. Do it on both sides. All right, let's get going. Let's get my toolbox, open her up, see what we need. It looks like those are 12s, so let's see, where's my 12 mil? 12. Let's see. It is a 12. All right, let's get our extension, which is here, and our ratchet, and let's see if this works. So all we're gonna do is just loosen up these bolts, right? Now that they're nice and loose, this is loosey-goosey now, right? And then we're just gonna push that back. See how much more further that goes back? I'm just gonna put it flush like that to see if it works. Then we just gotta tighten back up, and that's it. So in the first go, I got these tightened up, right? Problem is, what I did notice is when I tightened them up, this piece here is facing more low than original. So I just tested it out. I tried to close this and it won't close. So it actually gets stuck on the plastic. So now it's stuck. I gotta pull it out like that. And yeah, so I gotta adjust these so that they're more leveled. So as you can see, look at the lines that I created earlier. You see how they're off from where it sits now? See the line and the gap? But I just did this side and I lined it up perfect. So I just did this side now. And it's actually good that I put these markings, because not only can I go back to where I was, but now I can line it up. You see now it's flush with this line. So let's do the other side. All right, so now both sides are adjusted and it closes perfect. The only thing, it doesn't close like it used to. Like you see, it doesn't lock in. Like for me to lock it in, I have to slam it. And now it locks. I don't know if I like that or not. But if it's gonna take away the noise, then you know what? It's worth it. It's honestly worth it. So we're gonna try this now. Let me put all these tools away, and then we're gonna drive. All right, guys. So we ran into another problem. Now the tailgate won't even close, I guess, because it's not aligned properly. All right, let's try to adjust this in a way that we could still be tight, but not too tight. That's why it's very important to make sure that you mark these with a marker so you know exactly where you started off. So I did some trial and error runs. What I ended up doing was just a tiny bit back, and that worked fine apparently. So now this closes fine, and so does the tailgate. All right, let's try it out to see if it's still bumping and grinding back there. So it's a little bit later in the afternoon now. I just got out of the gym. I just wanted to show you guys what the hatch sounds like now that we did all these adjustments. So check it out. So as you can see, the problem is pretty much gone. Now that does not mean that this is your issue, because what I've come to find out as I was reading the forums, it looks like there's many different issues that these tailgates have, and different noises from different locations. So this can just be one of the things you try, plus the tape one that I've told you before that I've tried already, amongst other ones. But this is one of them. If it's that, try this method out. If it works, great. With that said, if you like this video, consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. I would appreciate it. Boo Boo 617, we out.